Welcome back to AR Gossips. In the glamorous world of Turkish drama, two couples have taken the world by storm, captivating hearts, sparking outline wars, and leaving fans debating who reigns supreme when it comes to the on screen chemistry. Is it the charming and adorable duo Hande Erçel and Karim Borsin, whose romantic comedy Sanchal Kapimi made people fall in love all over again? Or is it the fairy and passionate pair Demit Ozdemir and Ken Yemen whose sizzling energy in Erkan Chicos broke international barriers? Today, we put them head to head. Chemistry, real life rumors, and global reach, and pure star power. We are diving deep to ask one burning question: which couple truly set the screen on fire? Chemistry that clicks. Let's start with what matter most: the chemistry. Hande and Kareem's chemistry in You Knock on My Door felt effortless. Their playful, teasing, emotional depth, and eye contact spoke volumes. Every romantic feel scene just felt genuine, like you were watching two people fall in love in real time. On the other side, Damit and Can brought an electric vibe to Daydreamer. Their physical chemistry was undeniable, but what made it special was the emotional vulnerability they showed. From laughter to heartbreak, their scenes had layers, making fans connect deeply with every moment. Real life romance, truth or tease. Now, let's talk real life spark. Hande and Kareem didn't just play lover on screens, they became lover off screen too. Their relationship became the talk of the town, with fans following every post, every vacations, and every glance. It felt like the show continued even after the cameras stopped rolling. Damit and Can, on the other hand, kept things mysterious. There were rumors, there were moments that hinted at something more, but nothing was ever confirmed. And maybe that mystery added to the magic. It kept fans guessing and glued to every interaction. International fame and fandom. But chemistry isn't the only thing that counts. What about their impact? Hande and Kareem quickly gained a massive international following. Latin America, India, the Middle East, you name it, their fan base exploded. They trended on Twitters, won awards, and their show was dubbed into multiple languages. Can and Demit, however, opened the doors for Turkish dramas in many parts of Europe. Their popularity in Italy and Spain especially was so massive, Can Yemen even moved to Italy and became a household name there. Both couples achieved international fame but in different ways and regions. So, here we are, the two power couples, two unforgettable love stories, and two massive fandoms. Hande and Kareem, cute, real, and charming. Demit and Can, intense, mysterious, and passionate. Who had better chemistry? Who made a stronger impact? That's for you to decide. Drop a comment below and tell us, are you Team Hanker or Team Them Can? Let's the fandom war begin.